Okay, some examples. So if AB is equal to BC, then B is going to be the midpoint, making PB the median. If PC is our perpendicular bisector, then PC equals CD. Well, if PC is the perpendicular bisector, our two segments that were equal were PC and CD, so therefore it's the perpendicular bisector of BD. Okay, if APD, if I have a right angle in here, then what are my altitudes? Remember I talked about how the altitudes in a right triangle are the legs. So AP and PD are going to be our altitudes. If PC is the median of triangle PBD, if this is the median, remember the median goes from a vertice to the midpoint of one side, therefore PC has got to equal CD. So if PC was equal to CD and PC is perpendicular to BD, then, okay, what is the perpendicular bisector of what? So what line intersects at the midpoint? PC intersects the midpoint of BD, so PC is the perpendicular bisector of BD. Okay, PC and AC are both altitudes of triangle PCA. So this is an altitude and this is an altitude of triangle PCA. So therefore we have our right angle at PCA. Okay, complete. If BX bisects angle ABC, then so BX is our angle bisector, so then ABX is equal to CBX. And then, so then X is on my angle bisector, that's the angle bisector. I have a point on my angle bisector that goes and is perpendicular to one side of my angle, so therefore dx is going to be equal to xg. Because x is on my perpendicular bisector, BC is one side of my angle, AB is the other side. When I draw my perpendicular, they're going to be equal to the sides of the angle. Okay, next. dx. dx is the perpendicular bisector of EB. Then ED is going to be equal to DB. And XE is going to be equal to XB. Because X is on our perpendicular bisector, we're equidistant from the endpoints of our segment. Okay, if XB is equal to XF, okay, so I have two segments that are equidistant from the endpoints of segment BF, then XG is going to be our perpendicular bisector because that X is on segment XG. And XBF is equal to XFB. Because we have two angles, our two base angles of our isosceles triangle. Okay, next. If XD is equal to XG, so I have these segments equal, I have perpendiculars to that segment and to that segment. Therefore, X is the bisector of angle XB is the bisector of angle ABC.